In this moment, there is a need for us, human beings, to realize that we are one with existence and that we are connected with everything. If there is a direct experience of this universal truth, you will no longer be able to harm, injure, or kill anyone else, because you're aware that the separation is an illusion. The greatest blessing in this life is that you have an insatiable thirst to go deep within yourself and seek a space of silence, eternity, and peace that goes beyond physical pleasure, thoughts, and emotions, something transcendental and ineffable. Remember that there is no intermediary between you and the divine, but of course some indications could be useful. If you are interested, follow me for updates on posts, videos, and above all, live meetings and retreats. Thank you so much.